our cosmic journey through the wonders of the solar system, where the mysteries of the universe await discovery. In this video, we'll discuss the title was Beyond Earth, Discovering the Wonders of Our Solar System. The solar system refers to the collection of celestial bodies that orbit the sun, held in its gravitational field. It includes the sun itself, 8 major planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. 8. Their moons, dwarf planets such as Pluto, asteroids, comets, and other smaller objects. The solar system is a dynamic system where planets orbit the sun in elliptical paths, each following its own unique orbit and maintaining a delicate balance of gravitational forces. The planets in our solar system are fascinating and diverse worlds that vary significantly in size, composition, atmosphere, and other characteristics. Here's a brief overview of each planet. There are divided into 2 parts: inner planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars; outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Mercury, the closest planet to the sun and the smallest planet in the solar system. It has a rocky surface marked by impact craters and is tidally locked, meaning one side always faces the sun while the other side remains in shadow. Venus, often called Earth's sister planet, due to its similar size and composition. Venus is known for its thick atmosphere of carbon dioxide, which traps heat and creates a runaway greenhouse effect. It has a surface covered in volcanic plains and highland regions with temperatures hot enough to melt lead, reaching up to 880 degrees Fahrenheit, 471 degrees Celsius. Earth, the 3rd planet from the sun and the only known planet to support life. Earth has a diverse range of environments, including oceans, continents, and an atmosphere composed primarily of nitrogen and oxygen. It is the only planet in the solar system known to have liquid water on its surface. Mars, known as the Red Planet, due to its reddish appearance caused by iron oxide, rust, on its surface, Mars has intrigued humans for centuries as a potential site for life. Mars has a thin atmosphere composed mainly of carbon dioxide, 95.3%, with small amounts of nitrogen, argon, and oxygen. Jupiter, the largest planet in the solar system, with a diameter of about 142,984 kilometers, 88,146 miles, and a mass approximately 318 times that of Earth. Jupiter is a gas giant primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, including the 4 largest known as the Galilean moons are Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. Saturn. Known for its stunning ring system, Saturn is the 2nd largest planet in the solar system. Like Jupiter, it is a gas giant with a composition similar to Jupiter's. Its rings are made up of icy particles and are visible even from Earth with a telescope. Saturn also has numerous moons, with Titan being the largest. Uranus. Uranus is an ice giant planet with a bluish-green color due to the presence of methane in its atmosphere. It has a unique feature. Its axis of rotation is tilted almost parallel to its orbit around the sun, causing it to appear to roll on its side as it orbits. Uranus is one of the coldest planets in our solar system, with temperatures dipping as low as minus 224 degrees Celsius, minus 371 degrees Fahrenheit. Neptune, the farthest known planet from the sun, Neptune is also an ice giant like Uranus. It has a dynamic atmosphere with high-speed winds and dark storms, including the famous Great Dark Spot. Neptune also has a system of rings and moons, with Triton being the largest. Neptune, a distant and mysterious planet in our solar system. These 8 planets, along with the sun, moons, asteroids, comets, and other objects, make up the solar system, a fascinating and diverse celestial neighborhood. Sure, here's a point-wise explanation of the solar system and how it works. The solar system is a collection of celestial bodies, including the sun, planets, moons, asteroids, comets, and meteoroids, that are bound together by gravity. The sun. At the center of the solar system is the sun, a massive star made up mostly of hydrogen and helium. It provides heat and light to the entire system through nuclear fusion reactions in its core. Planets. There are 8 recognized planets in the solar system, divided into 2 main groups: terrestrial planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, and gas giants, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These planets orbit the Sun in elliptical paths. Orbital motion. Each planet revolves around the Sun in its own elliptical orbit. This motion is governed by gravitational attraction between the planet and the Sun, described by Kepler's laws of planetary motion. Moons. Many planets in the solar system have natural satellites or moons that orbit around them. These moons vary in size, composition, and characteristics. Asteroids and comets. Apart from planets and moons, the solar system contains smaller objects like asteroids and comets. Asteroids are rocky bodies that orbit the Sun, mostly found in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Comets are icy bodies that orbit the Sun in highly elliptical paths, often originating from the Kuiper belt or Oort cloud. Gravity. Gravity is the force that governs the motion of celestial bodies in the solar system. It holds planets in orbit around the Sun and moons in orbit around planets. The strength of gravity depends on the mass of the objects and the distance between them. Formation. The solar system formed from a giant molecular cloud about 4.6 billion years ago. A rotating disk of gas and dust collapsed under its own gravity, forming the Sun at the center and leaving behind a flattened disk from which planets and other objects formed. Evolution. Over billions of years, the solar system has evolved dynamically. Planets have formed, migrated, and undergone changes in their orbits. Moons have been captured or formed in collisions. Understanding this evolution helps scientists study the history and future of our solar system. I hope you enjoyed learning about our incredible solar system. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating videos like this one. Thanks for watching and joining us on this cosmic journey.